Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cotton candy effect using smart layering and also the adjustment features in DTI. So this is the cotton candy will look like, and you can play themes like kawaii, candy core or pastel princess using this hack. Let me show you how you can create this one. So to nail the cotton candy, you just need to use two items. The first one is the fireworks stick in here. You can find it in here and just color it black so it will go like this. And next you can go to the main area and put on this fur hat and then use the adjustment feature. So click on it, and here for the position you can go with X 18 and the Y 14, the Z 18. And for the rotate, just leave the X as it is, and the Y 32 and the Z 52. And for the scale, lower it to around 22. And now you can just change the color using these three patterns. You can choose between these three. You can use this one for colorful cotton candy, this one for the pink one or the basic cotton candy, or this one. Just choose your color, and now your cotton candy is ready to serve. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.